So this is how you can get free Discord Nitro. Now, you have to go through some kind of processes, but it's going to be easy, so trust me, you will get free Discord Nitro. So, go to any kind of browser. I'm going to be using Safari, and then search for Discord promotions. When you search it up, you will find a link at the very top which will send you to this website right here. This is their support page, so it's actually legit, and you can get Nitro for free in a completely legal way. So here under the promotions, you're gonna want to look for the keywords like, for example, Discord Nitro trial or free Discord Nitro. But yeah, so the first one is Discord Nitro trial for Streamlab users. Let's open it up. Starting from December 18, 2024 to 2025, Streamlab users can claim 1 month of Discord Nitro. So, if you use Streamlabs, which I think is a recording software, you will be able to use Discord Nitro for completely free for 1 month. But if you are subscribed to Streamlabs, you will get it for 3 months. So I do recommend subscribing for Streamlabs in order to get 3 months of free Discord Nitro, which is a pretty good deal. So you will get 1 month of Discord Nitro for Streamlabs users, and like I said, 3 months if you're a subscriber in Streamlabs. And by the way, if you've already had an active Nitro membership in the last 12 months, you are not eligible to redeem this Nitro promotion. So unfortunately, this is only for those that haven't had Nitro in the past year. But yeah, in order to claim it, just simply connect your Streamlabs and your Nitro, and you will be getting a free Discord Nitro right straight to your gift box. Let's go ahead and check out the other one, this Best Buy X Discord Nitro promo. Best Buy users can claim 1 month of Discord Nitro from purchasing eligible Best Buy products. So yeah, all you have to do is just purchase Best Buy products and then connect that to your Nitro, and then you'll be able to get a free Nitro. And another one, you'll get 3 months of Discord Nitro if you are a YouTube Premium user. Just simply connect the two apps, and then you will be able to get free Discord Nitro for 3 months, which is a crazy deal just for having YouTube Premium. It also works for Western Digital products. If you purchase from them, you will be able to get 1 month of Discord Nitro, and also if you have the Xbox Game Pass, you'll be able to get 3 months if you connect your both accounts. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if this tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.